Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress website with XAMPP. First, download and install XAMPP, which stands for Cross-Platform, Apache, MySQL, PHP, and Perl. This free and open-source cross-platform web server solution package is essential for local development. Next, download the latest WordPress package from the official WordPress website. Once downloaded, extract all the WordPress files into the htdocs directory inside your XAMPP installation folder. This directory is typically found at c/XAMPP/htdocs on Windows systems. Now let's create the database for your WordPress site. Open the XAMPP control panel and start both the Apache and MySQL modules. These two services are crucial for running your local web server and database. Then, open your web browser and type localhost/phpMyAdmin into the address bar. This will take you to the phpMyAdmin interface. Here, you'll create a new database. Simply click New on the left sidebar and give your database a unique, memorable name. With your database ready, it's time to install WordPress. In your web browser, navigate to localhost/yourWordPress folder, replacing your WordPress folder with the name of the directory where you extracted WordPress. You'll be prompted to select a language, choose your preference, and click Continue. On the next screen, enter your database details, the database name you just created, root as the username, and leave the password field empty. The database host should remain localhost. Almost there. On the final setup screen, you'll configure your WordPress site's basic information. Choose a compelling site title, create a strong username, and set an equally secure password for your administrator account. Remember to use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Also, provide your email address. After completing these steps, click Install WordPress, and then log into your brand new WordPress dashboard to begin customizing your site.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.